already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know about to see.
What you guys, warm welcome to Country Vanlife UK. How are we all doing? Thanks for popping in and joining me, guys. Lovely to see you all. I'm out on location at the moment, as you know, doing my east-south coast tour, and we've got another review for you tonight. It's in collaboration with ALLPOWERS. Thanks to the guys at ALLPOWERS. I'm not getting paid for this at all, guys. No money's coming in at all. All I get is the units to review, and they're sending me their products, which is lovely. So I can show you guys, and I thought I'd fully test these pieces of kits, guys. You know, I don't just unbox them and do a review straight out of the box. That's not, to me, it's not a review, it's just a lucky. But this is a true review. The next few clips, guys, are all mixed in various locations through my last few weeks testing this unit. And it's the ALLPOWERS S2000, guys. It's that beastie there. It's not too heavy, guys. It's not as heavy as a normal battery. But this is a lovely piece of kit, guys, and I've been through the mills. As you can see, it's battered about a bit, it's knocked about, it's been on beaches, it's been everywhere over the last few weeks of testing this. Right, we'll crack on with this test, guys, and I'll show you exactly my thoughts of this nice piece of kit. It's the S2000. I'll also be showing you the 200 watt solar panel that came with it as well. Another piece of kit, guys. I highly recommend you go and check out ALLPOWERS. You've got my discount code CVUK 20%, so use that. That's a massive discount on these, guys. And the ALLPOWERS are a value piece of kit. They haven't got all the bells and whistles like the Ecos and all the other pieces of kit out there, guys. They just do the job. They charge fast, and they give you lots of power. And this piece of kit, guys, this is a 2K inverter inside there. It will surge at 4K, so you can run anything on this baby. I'll show you in the video, guys. Keep watching. Lovely jubbly. Back at you in a bit. Back with the 2000 from ALLPOWERS. It comes beautifully packaged, guys, in a lovely foam laden box, and the packaging is really well done on these piece of kits. Now the cables that come with it, you've got your AC cable there. Now a lot of these AC cables for these chargers, guys, you can see it's just a basic 3-pin AC 3-pin adapter for your 240 volts coming in charging. Most of these on these power packs, guys, these come with a power block on them, a big power block on them, massive power block to get the power in, but it's all included within the system, the actual AC power block. So that's excellent, guys. Obviously you get your warranty card and all the instructions there as well. Lovely jubbly. With this unit as well comes a lovely little case that you can cover the unit in as well when you're not using it, just to keep the dust off. And the extra cables, they all come in a lovely little pouch. There we go, a nice pouch from ALLPOWERS, a zip pouch. So a nice little carry pouch for all your wires and adapters that come with this one, guys. The other charging cable, these are all charging cables, guys. That's your connector there for your solar there, guys, which is lovely jubbly. You can see on there, it's all the XT60s, guys, to direct for solar systems, but this is for your power adapter into your cigar lighter, so you can charge this unit while you're driving down the road as well, which is brilliant. And the other cable is the again the K connectors, guy, the K60 connectors there, which plug into the unit there, and those plug into either your portable solar panels or to the solar panels on your roof. Lovely jubbly. All really thick gauge wires on these, guys. Even the one for the cigar lighter, thick gauge, heavy gauge wire to take the current that it needs to charge these babies up within an hour and a half. And as I say, if you've got AC running charging and you've got your solar running as well, they're both pumping in about 400. So this unit, even though it's a big beastie, guys, this unit is 2000 with a 4K surge capability, will charge in an hour and a half. But just with a normal AC adapter, guys, straight to EHU or from your inverter in your van, whichever way you want to do AC, guys, it'll charge. Well, I've done it in 3 hours and just over 45 minutes. Brilliant. Right guys, just that's all what you get in the box there. The cable's required, lovely jubbly, everything you require to get this unit rocking and rolling. There's some specifications on all the ports, the car ports and the USB, USB-C, AC outlets and everything. You've got 2 USB, 4 normal USB and 4 AC 240 outlets. There's a few more specifications there on the S2000 guys. 1500 watt battery capability. It's got a 10-year cycle I believe on this one, 2500 cycles, not sure whether that's right, and it's got a phone application, not the best in the world, but it does the job. And with the newer version the S2000 Pro guys, unbelievably you can charge an electric car. So if you get stuck somewhere and you want a few more miles into the car, just plug in your S2000 Pro and it'll charge the car. Amazing, unbelievable technology. Right, we're going to try the ALLPOWERS 2000 guys with my air fryer, and we're going to bake a fresh pie, fresh steak pie. Right, we've got it to AC, air fryer's on, pie in the pan. Make sure that in there, make sure it's locked. Where are we? About 170 I think. Try 15 minutes. There's the power fan, come on. About 8 minutes now. Every now and again it does a surge. It's temperature controlled, the air fryer. So every now and again it gives a blast of energy. It takes it up to about 800 joule and drops down to just 12 watts while it's air. It's gone ping. It used about 15% of my power. Took about 15 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, I say, that looks done, guys. Lovely. Perfect. Perfect. ALLPOWERS 2000 Monster X with a high power air fryer. Right guys, let's get down and dirty with this piece of kit. I'm going to plug everything I've got in this van, plus some extra devices I brought in, which I wouldn't have used in my 3 years van life in high power units. I'm going to get those involved as well. We're going to get everything plugged in. 9 devices I'm going to put in this bloody unit, and we're going to bang it out. Obviously the power won't last that long, guys. This is just a demonstration exactly what this unit can do. Shall we do this? Come on, let's do it. Let's get crazy. Well, this is bonkers. Air fryer's in, my chip fryer's in, guys. TV's on, my cooler box is on, my laptop is on. I'm going to plug in some extra devices now. It's banging out round about 900 watts. It's only half the bloody power coming out of this at the moment, guys. It's got twice as much power as this. Obviously it won't last that long with all these kits running. I'm just doing this because I'm daft, just to show you what this unit can push out. We're plugging in the what we're plugging in there, we're plugging in the drone. No, my air clippers, there we go, buzzing away, a lovely jubbly. That's my electric air clippers in. Now we'll plug in my DJI drone and get that charging as well. In she goes into one of the ports. You've got 4 USB and 2 USB-C. Drone's banging away, blimey, O'Reilly. How many is that? 6, 7, 8 devices. Now goes my boom box, my radio boom box, lovely jubbly. That's in. Let's have a look. Yeah, she's switched on. Lovely, that's charging as well. Oh, my camera's going a bit funny. We're all zoomed in. I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. There's bloody wires everywhere. Wires coming out of everywhere. Everything's banging out. Blimey, look at all these devices. Have we got 9, 10 devices plugged in there? Look at all those wires, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I've got 10 devices. You can't put 14 in there. But I'm pushing this to its limits, guys. So it's pushing out 1,000 at the moment. It won't last long. This is just demonstration of me being a bit bonkers, guys. But it can bloody do it. Well, there you go, guys. That was a test and a half. It was on 44% power. It's on 36 now. I've had all those devices banging out of there. Obviously, you won't be using all those devices at the same time. You know, of course, it's going to drain the power on it. When you're using high power devices like these guys, it's going to drain the power quite quickly. But the beauty about this beast is you can charge it up, you know, various ways. So just turn the camera on. Oh, but us guys wondering what's going. What are you doing, Dad? What are you doing, Dad? You've got all this stuff out of the state of the van, guys. Oh, bits of electrical stuff everywhere. Lovely jubbly. Oh, blimey, it's hot. So there you go, guys. It just shows you what this device can do. I've been all these have been tested in the field, guys. And as I say, I charged this baby up 3 weeks ago, and it's still got 36 now, even after I've done all those bloody appliances on there. Absolutely amazing. It's a great piece of kit for the value. I mean, these kits, guys, 2004K outputs, they're a lot of money. They're a lot of money. The you know, the eco flows and all. Okay, they've got all the bells and whistles on them, guys. You know, all the apps, all the fantastic apps. But who needs that? I just want a unit that will power up quickly and give me power and last a long time and power up very quickly. Whether it's by AC, whether it's via my engine, whether it's via an inverter or whatever. This has got a smart wave inverter in there from 2K to 4K surge, guys. So lovely piece of kit. Absolutely brilliant, and I am absolutely bleeding boiling. So there you go, guys. Any questions at all about this one, just put them down below in the comments. I'll answer any question. But I've been testing this for now for 4 or 5 weeks, bashing it about. It's dusty, it's got marks and scratches all over there. As I say, we don't do unboxing, guys, we just get down and get dirty with these kits. And you can see there, I've just proven on a live bloody clip that it will run all those devices. Okay, you won't run all those at the same time, of course you won't, because the power will be gone within bloody an hour. But when you're doing your chips or whatever, you can do your chips or whatever, charge it up once a week, keep it trickle charged, and this will keep you going through the summer, no problem, in your van, for a total power in your van. Lovely, lovely piece of kit. Oh, just get somebody knocking the door, I think. That was a viewer accident knocking the window, guys, saying he loves my channel. Oh, blimey, out in the walls, and they still find me. Lovely jubbly, lovely to see people, it really is. Yeah, regarding powering this up, guys, okay, in the summer you've got no problem because you've got solar. Whether it's a solar on your roof you want to connect it to, whether it's a portable solar panel, you can get these solar panels from ALLPOWERS as well, guys. They've got loads of varieties of solar panels from 100 up to 400, and fast charge solar panels as well, latest technology. So this is an older unit, so it's quite a good value piece of kit, this one. And the way I charge this in the winter time, guys, obviously when there's no sunshine in the winter time, you can't use your solar energy to get free power. So all I do is charge it up via when my engine's running. When I'm moving from camp to camp, I connect it up to my leisure batteries that have got an inverter in line, and those will connect to the ALLPOWERS Monster X2000. So it's charging up while I'm driving along the road. And also if I'm in a camp, like, and I'm in a camp a long time, I'm not doing no driving, I just tickle the engine over for half an hour or so, especially in the freezing cold warm mornings, guys. Not only is it charging everything up in my van with my inverter and my leisure batteries to my van supply, it charges it just for half an hour every morning, charges everything up in the van. It'll charge, get a trickle charge into the Monster X as well, the ALLPOWERS 2000. It will get a trickle charge into there, and also can use my petrol generator as well. Just put that on for half an hour every day, and get it charged up that way, but obviously using fuel that way. But we're ticking over the engine, you're keeping your van warm, you're charging everything in the van, plus you're charging your power stations as well. So that's the way I do it in the winter time, guys. You can charge them obviously by AC if you get to an AC connection, whether it's on a campsite, EHU hookup or whatever. Right, let's have a look at the solar panel now. The 200 watt solar panel comes in a lovely case, folding solar panel, guys, with all the connectors, charge your battery, all the various connectors you need there. There you go, guys, charge your battery or your laptop. Any device at all you've got in your van, you can charge it via this foldable panel, guys. Even charging your engine battery as well, should you get a flat tyre. There's all the connectors there, the MC4s adapters as well. Everything you need, all the connectors you need for all your devices. There's 5-6 connectors. Obviously you use a manual as well, guys. This is the 200 watt from ALLPOWERS, a lovely piece of kit, and everything that you require there to charge, and all with heavy duty cables as well, which is excellent. Right, guys, the sun's a bit low at the moment, but we're going to, I've got the solar panel rigged up, the 200 watt solar panel. Oh blimey, it's boiling, absolutely boiling. That's where Skye's been having a kip in the shade. Here I am at this remote camp, guys. Country lane, no traffic comes up here, and there's my Monster Beast there, Monster X 2000, whacking away. We've got the lovely 200 watt solar panel there, guys, facing the sun. So the sun's pretty low now, it's late in the afternoon, so we won't get full power. But as you can see there, guys, you've got stands at the back, you've got a wallet there for store all the wires there. There's the ALLPOWERS connected with the K connector, guys, that one there, lovely job. That's where the power is connected in, guys, the XT50 solar connector. And we're banging in over 100 watts there, guys.
It's a bit of a misconception where you get a 200 watt panel, guys, that it gives out 200 watts. That's only in perfect laboratory conditions. In normal conditions, you'll get about 150 coming from a 200 watt panel, guys, in normal when the sun is peaked up in the sky. But it's enough to get this baby rocking and rolling. She's pulling in round about 120 watts there, I think. It's bouncing between 110, 120 watts, but that'll get the unit rocking and rolling pretty quickly in a few hours. Just sat out in the sun while you're enjoying your day or having your dinner or whatever. There we go, guys, in this lovely lay-by, gathering all the lovely free energy from the sunshine. Free power, guys, you can't beat it. Free power, buck the system, free power. Look at some of the connectors.
So solar panels, you get all the connectors as well. There's your multi-connectors there that will connect to any device you've got, guys, your iPhones, your laptops, everything as well. You can charge and jump charge your battery from the solar panel, or all the connectors you require to hook up that solar panel to anything, guys. So you can charge your battery in your van if you like with the solar on. Just connect it to your van battery. If you've got a dead battery in the morning, guys, and you've got sun, just connect that to your battery and to the solar panel. Give it half an hour or so, and you'll be able to charge your van up from a dead battery. Amazing to have these solar panels, guys, these portable. But as I say, I've got solar up there on the roof as well, guys. I can connect the Monster X to that as well. But I've got ESU in the walls anyway with my petrol generator, so that's not an issue for me. But if you're in a van and you're going to caravan sites, just plug this in every time you go in for half an hour, and it'll keep your van running. Cushy, guys, cushy. Right, I think that'll do, guys. I've been going on a bit on this one. That's the ALLPOWERS. Lovely piece of kit there, guys. I'll put all the spec and everything in the videos, guys. Just give you the information on those. I think these are, I think they used to be about 1,200 quid going back a couple of years. With my discount now, I'm sure you can get this for just over £700, guys. I think they're on eBay as well, or Amazon, but you can go to their site. All the links are down below there, guys. Don't forget to use my discount code and get 20%. That's a big bloody saving, 20%, guys. A massive saving, so go and check them out. Check their website, see what's up there. They've got loads of kit. Hopefully on the next review from these guys at ALLPOWERS, because we'll be they're powering Country Van Life for the next few months, especially on the winter tour as well. Hopefully the next one is going to be the big one, guys, the big game changer, the 4 or 5 kilowatt units, total off-grid capability. So run your house, run your garage, run your van for months and months and months, guys. That's the next one on the channel, hopefully. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. I know a lot don't like watching the reviews, but there's a lot of people needing power stations, guys. The game changers, and the technology now with these pieces of kit. I think the new beast as well is a lithium ion, guys. Best battery technology out. So we'll be interested to look at that one. Anyway, I'm rambling on there, guys. Thanks for watching. I don't know where Skye's gone. I'm going to go out and jump in the bloody sea because I'm boiling bloody hot. Thanks, Kurt at ALLPOWERS. Look forward to the next piece of kit from you. Thomas just gone ping in the background. I think the ket's on. We'll have a nice cup of tea. Say thanks, Kirk, till the next one that comes along, and we'll see that one. Hopefully we'll have that one for when we go to the Isle of Arran in the Hebrides for the winter. We'll have the big kit, guys. That will be interesting, really interesting. Look forward to that. Catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. From me and Skye, we're done.